Hey guys, Madison the Beauty Addict here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a beautiful start to your day. And in today's video, I'm going to be testing and reviewing this dip powder kit by Doubledip shop. It's the pastel one, and there are 6 different pastel colors, and they are all so beautiful. I'm absolutely in love with them, and I want to show you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So we're first going to be starting off with prepping the nails, of course. So I'm going to be pushing her cuticles back, buffing and filing and cleaning any unwanted dirt out from underneath her nails. And now I'm putting on the base layer. This will help the powder adhere to the nails. The shades I chose to use today were Clear Sky and Enchanted. It makes such a beautiful look. Now, ever since I've started using dip powder, I never want to go back to polish. I prefer using Doubledip products though, because the quality seems better than other dip products, and their customer service is top-notch compared to other companies. And now I'm going to be applying Activator. This basically dries the powder. I always like to buff over after I apply the activator to remove any unwanted bumps and just to give a smooth surface overall. And now I'm going to use the top coat. This is like my absolute favorite part. It's so satisfying watching a top coat go over top of the dip powder, especially the sparkles. And now I'm going to use cuticle oil. This gives a fresh salon finish. And voila, we have beautiful pastel dip nails from the Doubledip Pastel kit. And here I swatched all of the other colors that I did not get to use with my model that were included in this kit. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, and I have the link to this kit in the description.